Hey, what's up? It seems like AI is everywhere these days. Even this desktop charger from AOHI is called the Future AI. I'm curious about what AI is doing in this desktop charger. We will try to find out in this video. The other features of the AOHI The Future AI desktop charger are 280 watts total output, 240 watts single-port charging, 6-port fast charging, smart LCD display, and app remote control. So let's start the review with unboxing and design, and then look at the smart display, mobile app, and test the charging speed. The box of this desktop charger shows a picture of what it looks like and a big logo of 280 watts. It seems like that is its main feature. I have never tested such a powerful desktop charger. It also supports GaN Plus technology. On the back of the box we can see its other features as well as detailed specifications. Opening the box, we see a charger, as well as a user manual, and another package that contains only the power cable. That's all you get in the kit. You know, the first thing that surprised me about this desktop charger was its weight. It is really heavy, 770 grams. I didn't expect that such a compact charger to be so heavy. By the way, its dimensions are 120 by 119 by 40 mm. In fact, I don't think its weight is a problem, but rather an advantage. You probably will not be carrying it around often. Instead, you will use it on your desk at home or in the office. Why do I think this is an advantage? Because its weight makes it more stable on the desk. It doesn't move at all. The charger also has two rubberized feet on the bottom to prevent sliding on the surface. As for the build quality, because of its gray color, the charger looks like it is made of metal, but in fact it is all plastic. The sides feature yellow panels that give the charger a futuristic look. You know, yellow is the brand's signature color, and the charger is available only in this color. There is a display on the front, but we will come back to it a little later when we plug in the charger. Talking about ports, there are 4 USB-C ports on the front and 2 USB-A ports on the side. The power button is also on the side. The power connector is located on the back panel. As for the output power of the ports, the USB-C 1 has a maximum output power of 240 watts, while the USB-C 2, C3, and C4 have an output power of 140 watts. The USB-A 1 and USB-A 2 have a maximum output power of 22.5 watts. But that is only if you are using just one of these ports. In this picture, you can see the power output when using 2, 3, 4, 5, or even 6 ports. So you can charge up to 6 devices using this desktop charger. Okay, let's plug it in now and look at the display. So the screen doesn't take up the entire front panel, but it is still quite large, 1.54 inches to be exact. This is a TFT LCD color display. It is not touch sensitive, and you can switch between screens using a button on the side panel. So when nothing is connected to the charger, you will see the time, date, day of the week, and even the outdoor temperature on the screen. The next screen shows the total charging output power for all ports. There is also a Wi-Fi indicator in the corner. Next, we see the charging power for the 4 USB-C ports. There is a maximum output power, volts and amps are shown here. The next screen is identical, but for 2 USB-A ports. The AOHI Future AI desktop charger even displays its temperature, so you can monitor whether it is overheating while charging. Then we have 2 options: standby display selection and charging scenario selection. By pressing the button twice, you can navigate to one of these sections. There are 2 options for the standby display available here. As for the charging scenario, the AOHI Future AI desktop charger supports 3 charging modes: Turbo mode, Smart mode, and Standby mode. As you understand, in Turbo mode, each USB port can charge at maximum speed. In Smart mode, the charger automatically detects and allocates power to each connected device for optimal efficiency and safety. Getting back to AI, it seems to me that it is used in Smart mode. The company also claims that the charger uses AI thermal control, as well as advanced GAN Plus architecture for intelligent power management. So the AOHI Future AI desktop charger automatically adjusts output for every connected device or pushes max speed when you need it most. That sounds really impressive. We will check it out later. But for now, let's look at the next feature of this desktop charger, App Remote Control. The application is called AOHI. You can download it on Android and iOS devices. Here we can see a picture of a desktop charger. Then we can select the charging mode, Turbo, Smart and Custom. By the way, Custom mode was not available on the charger itself. You can only use it through the app. This is a very interesting feature because you can choose the maximum power of each port. Next, we can disable any port such as C1, C2, C3, C4 and A1 or A2. We can also see total output power and temperature in the app, as well as remote power on/off the device. It seems like I have a new firmware version. I will install it later. Custom settings include custom UI and animation, but no content available here. Charging firmware update and restore factory reset. The app is actually useful. I find custom charging mode very practical. You can also remotely disable each port or the whole charger. Now let's finally test the charging speed of this desktop charger. Let me remind you that the USB-C 1 port has a maximum output power of 240 watts, while the other USB-C ports each have a maximum output power of 140 watts. USB-A 1 ports on the side deliver 22.5 watts. Unfortunately, I don't have such a powerful device to test the maximum output power of the USB-C 1 port. But let's try connecting my laptop to the desktop charger. So it is charged with a power of about 60 watts. This is really the maximum charging speed for my laptop. Now I want to connect my smartphone to the USB-A port. It charges at around 15 watts, which is also its maximum charging speed. At the same time, the input power for the laptop hasn't changed, about 60 watts. The desktop charger has 3 more USB-C ports on the front. I want to connect 3 power banks to them. Each power bank supports a maximum charging speed of 30 watts. First, I saw on the display of the desktop charger that the first power bank was charging at almost 30 watts, while the second and third power banks were charging at about 16 watts. After a while, I checked the charging status in the app on my smartphone, and all 3 power banks were charging at almost 29 watts. The reason for this is that I was testing the desktop charger in smart mode, and it automatically adjusted the charging speed for connected devices based on which one needed it most. By the way, I tried charging my device in turbo mode, and the charging speed was even slower than in smart mode. I would recommend using smart mode. So when connecting all my devices to the desktop charger, its output power was 155 watts. However, its maximum output power is 280 watts. But I just don't have any other devices to test it with. I also want to mention that the charger has warmed up a bit, but it is not hot at all. The temperature rose from 28 degrees to 33 degrees. So the AOHI The Future AI is probably the most advanced desktop charger I have ever had. Although I don't really like that the company calls it AI, the charger actually uses a smart charging mode to adjust the charging speed for connected devices. It works really well thanks to GAN Plus chip. The maximum output power of 280 watts will be enough to charge several laptops, smartphones, and other devices. The display on the desktop charger is useful because it shows the total output power, the charging status of each port, and even time and weather. The mobile app is probably the highlight of this desktop charger because you can remotely monitor the charging speed, adjust the maximum power output for each port, and turn each port on/off, as well as the whole charger. I really liked the AOHI The Future AI desktop charger. Thank you for watching this video. See you soon!